everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make an inverted fishtail, and it's very similar like a regular fishtail. So let's get started. All you need is a Y loom or anything with 2 pegs, so you could use your loom, a hook, or you could use your fingers to pull up the bands, an S clip or C clip to clip the bracelet together, and some rubber bands. Let's get started. So first, you're going to take your first band, mine is going to be purple, and then you're going to twist it into a figure of 8. You're going to take your next band, mine is blue, and we're going to place that right on. And then your last band. You're going to take the bottom band up and over. This is the part you can use your hook for. And that's it. Next, you're going to do your next band, and you're just going to put it right on top. This part you're going to push down your middle band below the bottom band and grab the bottom band. You could do this with your finger as well. So you're just going to grab the middle band, bring it below the bottom band, and bring the bottom band up. And you're just going to keep repeating that step. We're going to do it again. Our next color is purple. Blue actually. So you're going to push this middle band below the bottom band and grab the bottom band up. Again, you're going to do that to the purple side as well. Push the purple down, grab the pink, and grab it over. You can grab the cap band to see your design. It still shouldn't have started yet because it's just the beginning. I'm going to show you with my fingers. So you can grab your next band, put it on top, grab the middle band, bring it below, and grab it up. Same thing to this side. Grab the middle band, and then bring the bottom band above. And you're just going to repeat those steps. Next band, middle band below, bottom band up, middle band below, and then the bottom band up. So you could use your finger as well, but you can also use your hook. So you could start seeing the design. Next band is the blue. Middle band below, and then bottom band on top. I think it's easier to use your hook because it's just easier to grab and fold the bands. And this is how the bracelet would look. And I'll be back when the length gets longer. You got it to the length that you want. You should have 2 bands left on your Y loom. And you're going to take them both, bring them up. You're going to take 1 band from each side, or from either side, and bring it to the other side. You're going to grab your S clip or C clip and clip it. So basically I held one side of the S clip and kind of just pushed it down onto Another way you could clip is taking it off the loom, the Y loom, by putting it into one finger. And grab the S clip and clip it like this onto two sides of the rubber band. And then you can grab the cap band, put into the two fingers, and then hook it from the other side of the S clip. And there you go. And there you have it. An inverted fishtail. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.